Welcome to John Cray's channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you my process of creating a fruit character design, which is a cute banana. Guys, I like to always tell to my students to get used to make the drawings, even that they are very beginner, people that struggle a lot to feel happy with the drawings. But everything is about a process, is a trainment. You will not get good if you don't practice, okay? That's why I always try to bring the drawings more often to my contents, to my work, because if you want to become an artist, it is important that you get this regularly created day by day. It's important because when you want to translate your vision to what you want to create, you need to describe this by making in a sketch. You want that your idea become believable. As I like to say, it doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to understand what you want to achieve in your design. I do a lot of designs for games, and most of my work I try to make things that it is believable, thing that is basically more pushed to cute style, alright, friendly, toy-like, I would call this. And here I'm making this design, and you can also think like the Family Hero Saga, which is a very nice game that I played a lot, and I think that they do an incredible job. So in the part of this work that I'm doing, I'm using the pencil tool for the base shape and the ellipses for the eyes, and I'm using the pencil tool as my favorite tool to build these organic forms. I'm not using so much the paint tool, I'll be honest with you. I think that the paint tool makes your design a bit too stiff, too rigid. I want to make my design a bit more organic, which means that if you make line mistakes, it is also part of your style. I mean that in this world that we have a lot of AI coming down to us, making perfect stuff, it is something that people are not enjoying, you know. When we see a lot of AI stuffs happening, it feels like disgusting. If you want to bring this very polished style with soft brush, you can download my pack in my link available on the description below. Alright, all the brushes you can use the same way like me. Now let's talk a little bit about AI. Humans, people don't like artificial stuffs. You don't want to have artificial love, you don't want to have artificial friends. You know that this name artificial means that it is a kind of fake. I like to, to bring this point. As part of this project, I'm willing to take whatever it takes for me to make it nice, even that I can make some mistakes, because in fact what really matters in the end is that you feel happy. All right, you feel confident, you feel that you are able to do that stuff. So if you are watching this video somehow and feel like this is not for you, maybe you should give it a try. I suggest you can join to my Patreon if you wish to get some assignments and more deep tutorials where I explain some tools, how I use the tools, things like that, and you will have a lot of deep learning. All right, so as you can see in my design here, I use a lot of smudge brush. The smudge brush helped me a lot to polish more my design. And the smudge brush that I use, I have 3 of them here in my pack that I use a lot, which helps me to soften more the shadows with the lights. And as you can see, I'm always trying to to bring more the saturations on the corners, to enhance more the shadows, because this object was not very easy to do. Alright, the banana is not a very easy form. It's a like a triangle with two sides, like a moon. And when you need to apply this in cylinder form, it is where the difficulties comes. But that's why we are here. We are here to challenge ourselves to make these things happen. And one of the key components that I did here to make this design look very nice, I'd say, it is the ring light. The ring light, it is the light that is behind of this character. There is the highlights that is on the forehead and in the middle of this character. The highlight, it's what makes the shape separated. If you think like a form, if you don't add that, it's gonna be hard for you to identify the depth, okay? Because in fact, this is a 2D design, this is not a 3D. So if you don't know how to manage and how to manipulate the shadows, your design will look very flat, and maybe will look very flat in terms of, just one color. This is not a problem, alright? But once you want to add more depth, it is a must. Here is the final result, and I really hope that you enjoyed. Leave the like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.